What is up, YouTube? Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California for one of my lately very rare vlogs. I know y'all, you know what's up, I'm busy. So a couple things on the agenda today while I head over to my all too often dentist appointment. Let my dental hygienist beat me up a little bit. So after I hit the dentist, I gotta head over to our local mom and pop little pet store, get some corn snake food over there. I choose to feed my snakes frozen thawed. For the ball pythons, I ordered like in bulk, so I got 50 frozen rats all at once. But for the corn snake, he's growing too quick, so I gotta wait until he's more on his adult size feeding that he's going to be at before I can order bulk for him. So in my life, what I got going on right now, I know I mentioned to you all that I got furloughed from the hospital I was working at, and honestly I don't want to go back because I really did enjoy working there like I thought I would. Got another little side hustle that I'm working on, which, good lord, what the hell are you doing, bro? Fucking idiot. Jesus Christ. So anyway, side hustle that I'm working on is I'm going to be doing my medical standby stuff on movie sets. And got my first job doing that coming up in a couple weeks. Hopefully it won't take too long because I'm going the union way. And I got to pick up my days. Once I get my days picked up and I can join the union, that's when I'll make the decision as to whether it's going to remain a side hustle or if I'm going to move on from working on the ambulance. I haven't totally decided yet. I know the whole movie set thing definitely has more potential to make money. Well, a lot more potential to make money than working on an ambulance does. But with the current state of affairs, with the pandemic going on, I know for a long time the movies, they shut down. They weren't filming at all. So, you know, pandemics will put me out of work. Where I worked all my hours plus some on the ambulance throughout the pandemic. So in order to do this, I have to get 30 days in a year's time to join the union. And then after that, I can go onto the union list and it'll be a lot easier to get work. That's the whole thing, is a permit. If anybody that's already in the union wants a job that I've been offered, they get to have it. I can't work it. So what's left for the people that are working on permit is usually the lower paying stuff that the guys already on the union list don't want to work because it doesn't pay enough. Which is fine. I don't have a problem putting my time in. Know much better money, obviously, better benefits, but I enjoy what I do on the ambulance, even though I don't get taken care of for doing it. So I don't know, I'm kind of torn. We'll see. I've spent I've spent close to $600 already getting prepared for the set medic job because I got to bring all my own equipment with me. So hopefully that'll turn around and be a good investment that I will get return on. So last year at high school, my son got really big into working out. He took a weightlifting class where they got to go hit the gym every day for their PE. And he got really big into working out, really started to enjoy it. So that when school got shut down, which, you know, I don't know where you all are at, I think a lot of places have opened school back up. Southern California is being ultra restrictive, and it's looking like there's not going to be any school this year at all. It's all home learning, and, you know, wake up, get online, and all of his classes are online. So his biggest issue was no weight room. So he'd been begging me forever to get us a gym membership. Well, actually, it's bugging me to get him a gym membership. And I've been thinking about it a lot lately, and I don't like what I've let myself turn into. and the lack of my hospital job where I got a lot of exercise, I've got a little pandemic fat going on. Yeah, not to mention strength-wise. I mean, my lower body's still good because I do a lot of lifting at work and picking people up, picking things up, but my upper body is just horrible. A couple of weeks ago, I got a bonus on my check, and been working for this company for 10 years. It's the first bonus I've ever gotten. It was a pretty decent one. Well, we have a gym nearby us that moved all their stuff outdoors, and it was really decent price, so I decided to spend my bonus on getting me and my son a gym membership. Yeah, and as you guys know, I work 24-hour shifts, so I can't go every day, but we've been going pretty much every one of my day off, every time I have a day off. Yeah, it's kind of cool getting back in the groove of things, but it's been many, many years since I was into working out. People are always talking about muscle memory this, muscle memory that. It won't take that long. You'll bounce back to what you used to be. And dude, at my age, I'm pretty sure I got muscle dementia going on. My muscles don't remember how to do a damn thing. I know the gym isn't the place for judgment. I don't know, man. Every time I'm trying to lift, I feel like everybody's just watching me and pointing and laughing. Hopefully it won't be too long until I can start at least lifting some respectable weight. I remember doing this when I was in my 20s, and getting injured really wasn't a worry. I knew it was a possibility, but it's just not something I thought about. Now I'm so scared that I'm going to hurt myself trying to lift and have to miss work. Well, I'm all done at that good old dentist appointment. Really wasn't too bad this time. I think last time it was horrible because it was due like right when the lockdown started, and then I ended up being like several months behind, and it just sucked. So this time not so bad. Now, how many of you guys out there are still riding? I know I saw that the Bruce, D-Most 1A's ride, saw that he was able to ride last week up in New York. Oddly enough, a rare November ride up there. What about you Canadians? Any of you still getting a ride at all? Yep. You calling it a day here pretty soon? Go home, eat some dinner, go to the gym. I think I would have had a lot more to say today. It's been a while since I've vlogged, but apparently not. If anybody's interested, there's the food for the corn snake. Little guys, little mouse fuzzies that are frozen. Now I get to go deal with traffic. Since I clearly don't have much left to say, I'll go ahead and cut this vlog off. Sorry if I bored you all to death. Everybody stay healthy, rubber side down, shiny side up, and I will talk to you all next time. Thanks for watching.